Business Standard. Patron Cap puts Mumbai's then out plans in a pickle. Rise taxes on a very rich to STC moonlit economy stingy. Now present the market on Monday, Sensex 38 973.7 up to 276.6, Nifty 11,503.3 up to 86.4, Nifty features 11,517.7 14.3, dollar 17.3 73.2, euro 86.1 85.8, Brent crude 40.4 38.0, gold 10 grams 50,296.0 85.0. Now present no breakthrough in GST compensation deadlock. TCS plans to share buyback. MCAP tops 10 trillion billion. Scanning new heights. First company after RIL to cross milestone valuation highest in 15 years. PM must protect against A1S SC to get put Kamath panel report on record. Volvo found not fit and proper to hold license in London. Now inside Netflix India, a testing ground for the world. Now on Netflix, movies such as next Tata Group negotiated Air Asia India exit price swing to take business of street vendors online, led by Bengaluru office space leasing pickup up to 64%. Hindavi Chennai factory made more cars than China unit in 2019. Steel companies raise prices by 2,000 tons. Now, responsible mining, sustainable growth, chairman and speech, 62-second annual general meeting. Sumit Debt CMD NMDC Limited. Dear shareholders, I have great pleasure in welcoming you to 62nd annual general meeting AGM of NMDC Limited, which is the being organized via video conferencing, organizing AGM through this. Now future plans also given this corporation governance, environmental sustainability. We continue to progress on various environment and energy conservation in this, all given to responsible to subject NMDC Limited, Register Office, Kenny Bhavan, now Castle Hills, Musab Tank, Hyderabad. Summit Debt Chairman and Managing Director. Indigenous players slow and steady in COVID vaccine rare. Must protect against weaponization of AI. PM. SBI next challenging keeping Yano ahead of the curve. Bank entered uncharted territory as it is looks to license app, which it is values at 40 billion. Now employment rate as a policy target. The slippery slope of backdated law. Now Tata taking on Ambani could be India Alibaba tenant. Tencent. Interim assessment allowed when customs doubts organic of goods. Now RBI resumes anonymous bond buys from markets. Industry should give fixed term jobs for seasonal work, minister. Now present global economy worst in 100 years. G20 big leaders. Now business back on the track in top three. Arab economy after stables. Interpolis red notice for Fig 2. Thai red bulls here. Fate. Now after the storm. Now don't scare away the golden ghost. Arabindo to get health boost on raising OTC injection sales. Now this Arabindo Pharma establishment of this company uh, plant in Sangareddy now present shares of Arabindo Pharma which had corrected by more than 20% after hitting a press 52-week high in August, have rebounded over 12% in the last 10 days. The company, which has seen a strong growth traje- tri- tra- trajectory, however, posted a sequential decline in revenue and net profit in the June quarter, principally because of COVID-19 disruption, thereby effect now is very high on revival patch revenue taking stock profit before tax. Now EPS FI 20 48.5, FI 21E 53.4, FI 2E 60%. Arabindo Pharma. Now after laying alliances, LJP looks to strengthen itself. Now stocks new Nifty 50, Sensex, Business Standard, Insight out. Nobel in medicine to Troyo, who discovered hepatitis C virus. IIT internship placements defy COVID-19 impact with international offer. Now present, this is the end of the news.